Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to define the support of our truss of our steel structure. So we return to the robot, we go to the front view and we select the top nodes here. Okay, we have 34 nodes. Okay, we go to the supports. First of all, we must know that the support here is roller, so we didn't have here roller, so we can define the roller support by clicking on a new support definition. We check only UZ, okay, UZ, and the direction of resisting here. Now we name it roller. Okay, we press add and we press now apply. So we have now defined the support of our steel structure. But here and for this 4 columns we must put a fixed support, because here we have a moment, because the load of the trusses create a moment here at the bottom of the column, so we must define a fixed support. Now we choose here fixed and we go to put here fixed support, fixed, and for the other side we must put here fixed and fixed. So now we can show we have defined roller support for all these columns and then the other side, and for the 4 columns of the trusses we have defined fixed support, because when the load here change and the trusses, the columns here we have a moment, negative moment like this. Okay, so now we have defined the support of our steel structure. Thank you for listening. We will continue on the next lecture.